Jaywick's got a lot of bad press as being a deprived area.
I've helped in Jaywick for about 3 years. We do gardening and we look after the nature that we find in the area, which is like a little gem. It just makes people feel better. So that's why we do what we do.
It's incredibly important to keep these green spaces for future generations, because once it's gone, it's gone.
In my garden, I try to grow plants that will attract bees and insects. They are incredible creatures, and the human race could learn a lot from watching the bees.
Let's all get back together again. Let's save this little bit of green for our children. Let's build memories for them, positive memories.
Let's save what's here. Start putting something positive here that we can all benefit from. You know, get involved. It just lifts you up.